Welcome to this congratulations card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this card. Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the supplies that you'll need. I also included all of the specific colors that I use there and also the specific items. The first step is to take your pencil and simply write out the text for this congratulations card. I used a straight edge to draw in some lines to make sure that the lettering was nice and straight. Once you have all of the lettering drawn out in pencil, all that you really need to do is trace over everything with two different colors. So I started with a teal color for the lettering that's on the diagonal here. The exact color that I'm using will be linked in the description box below, and these are my favorite Faber-Castell pens that I'm using for this card. Once you have the lettering on the diagonal there complete, all you need to do is switch over to a different colored pen. I decided to use a black Faber-Castell pen in thickness F to do the remainder of the lettering, and I just simply traced over the pencil lines that I had previously drawn in. And once you've completed that, the card is done. I ended up going back in with an eraser to just remove a few of the remaining pencil lines. They're not really visible here on the video, but they were kind of visible in real life. So this of course is entirely optional, and you'd only need to do that if you had remaining pencil lines that you wanted to remove. I hope you enjoyed this card tutorial.